Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the micro problem strategy. So what is micro problem strategy? I just want you to understand that selling big problems or solutions doesn't help anybody and nobody will buy from you if you want to say something broad, something vague, something that people don't understand. I mean, they don't know what they're going to get from that product or what they will get if they buy that product. So this is what we talk about. This is why we talk about micro problem strategy. Basically, making that problem in a way they will understand and know that these are the results they're going to get if they buy. All right. So, for example, you have a very short sentence, clear sentence that tell them the problem that they're going to solve and the result they're going to get and when they can be able to get that they will buy from you. This is what we call the micro problem strategy. So I will give you a few examples, right? So instead of selling marketing, so marketing is huge and digital marketing is huge too. If you don't know how to do that properly, people are not going to buy. So let's say, for example, you have a product that say 30 captions for X, right? They are going to definitely buy. Or you want to say something like fitness. Fitness is broad and they don't really understand what you're trying to say. But if you say, for example, a 7-day meal plan for X, they would definitely buy because they know they are going to get a 7-day meal plan that is either going to help them drop weight, reduce weight, become fit, and detox their body. All of that is something that they will relate to, they will understand easily, they will know the solution is going to bring to their problem, and trust me, they will always buy. So it's going to be a very short video. I just wanted you to understand that micro problem or micro products are easier to say and is always a yes for many people. So again, when you are running ads or you want to make videos around that particular type of product, all you need to do is to keep it simple. Don't make it vague. Make them understand what that product is for, who that product is for, and what they will get if they buy that product, the solution that product is going to bring. And you will always sell your product. This is the best way to deal with digital products. Okay. So again, avoid big problems, avoid selling big problems, focus on micro problem strategy, all right, that I just shared in this video. And trust me, you'll be able to sell your digital product. Again, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.